Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to edit Moody dark green in Lightroom mobile. Here are some example before and after using this preset. First, go to Lights. Make exposure as your photo looks. Contrast to +40. Then make highlights to -30. Then make shadows to +20. Whites to +10. Then blacks to -40. Next, go to curves. Follow these steps. Then, done. Next, go to colors. Make temperature and vibrance to +16. Then saturation to -20. Next, go to mix. First go to red. Make saturation to +16. Go to orange. Make hue to -10. Then saturation to -30 and luminance to +14. Next go to yellow. Make hue to -30. Then saturation to -36 and luminance to -30. Next go to green. Make hue to +26. Then saturation to -30 and luminance to -50. Next go to aqua. Make hue to +20. Then saturation to -16. Next go to blue. Make hue and saturation to -30. Then, done. Next, go to Effects. Make Clarity to +20. Then Dehaze to +40. Next, go to Split Tone. Follow these steps. Then, finish. We can copy-paste these settings to another photos.